Hi there, Robert Moody with MarineMax out here at Pier 121 at the Dallas Yacht Center. I just listed a 2020 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer, less than 160 hours on it, 158 to be exact, loaded boat with all the big options, big engines, radar, all the fun stuff on it. I want to show you in the slip. The slip may be available if you're looking for something turnkey ready here on Lake Louisville. It's already dialed in and ready to go. As you can see, it is a black hull boat. It already has bottom paint on it. Really pretty color. So you got a little bit of black there on the arch holding it up, kind of ties it all in together. But super clean boat, one owner boat. We sold it new here in Louisville. It's never left the lake. So you do have the dune interior. So up on the front, he does have the option for the forward table. It's removable. There's a remote control for the stereo up there, fold down armrest up there. So a great lounge area that you walk up to the bow, not climb over the dash. So it does have the fiberglass hardtop with opening sunroof, manual. It does have the Simrad radar for the twin upgraded 12-inch screens on the dash. It does have the Sure Shade, hit a button. That shade will come out about another 7 feet to give you shade over all of this back sun lounge area. It does have this sea deck throughout. It does have underwater lights. It's got the hydraulic swim platform. Very pretty boat. Great shape. Owner's moving on. Good opportunity for somebody. Let's go get inside and look real quick. Low hours on the generator. Really don't use it much. I kind of use it for a day boat. I love this back deck. That seat right there, you can rotate around once you're moving. Lock it forward so nobody's sliding out of the boat when you're running. But the storage compartments back here, he's got a massive inflatable mat that he bought for the boat, plus more storage for floats, lines, extra fenders, short paracord plugs in there. Upgraded table to the teak. Does have the blue LED light package in there. There is not a mark anywhere on this upholstery. See, we've got cockpit AC and heat. He does have the canvas package. You can kind of see where you're going to zip it on there for the winter time. So you can totally enclose this whole cockpit, heat and cool it. We got the Kenya grill, immaculate clean. I don't know if he's ever used it or not. You got the sink, pull-out fridge, and a trash can right there. Everything you need. It does have remote on the swim platform and hot and cold water for a transom shower on the back of the boat if somebody wants to rinse off. The upholstery, it's like brand new. Flip-flop seat facing forward, facing aft. I love this companion seat right here, right by the vent. You can sit out in the shade under the hardtop, get some cold air blowing on you these hot summer days. See the big upgraded screens we got there. He's got radar on it, all the systems. Does have auto trim tabs on it. Does have the joystick, auto heading, auto trim for the drives. The upgraded Fusion stereo system with better speakers, amp and sub. And that compartment there is where you're going to find this round table. Look how easy this is to walk up to the bow. That's where you're going to put the bow table leg. So you can, if you want to have some cocktails or snacks hanging out on the bow of the boat, you have that. There's the top. Great condition. And let's go take a look downstairs. I don't think I've ever slept on it. Right now they have the table down and the pillow cushion on it, so it's kind of made into a bed, but it's real easy. If you want it as a table, you're just going to pop the table up. Actually, there's a longer leg you're going to put on there. But I love the big windows down here. When you do come down here, you don't feel like you're trapped down like some old cabin boats used to be. That's a TV right there. And this year model boat, they did something pretty cool. They made this table where you can hinge it. So maybe it's a little easier for people to slide in and out of that V-berth seating. They did give you a refrigerator and a microwave and a ton of storage down here below. Since there's a grill up top, most people cook out there anyway. But if you're spending the night on the boat, you still do have access, to some food and some drinks with a microwave and a fridge downstairs. Separate AC controller for the cabin. Here's my control panel. generator start, everything you need is right there. Really nice opening portholes, but curtains to block it off if you need the privacy. Separate stereo for down here. The mid cabin, take a little step down if you've never been in one. Pretty roomy for a 32-foot boat with seating for 18 people up top. You can still sleep 4 down here. So that's a bed. There's another bed. They can slide together. Put the filler cushions in. You see it right there to the right. Put the 2 filler cushions in. So now that's beam to beam bed. Air conditioner back here. Upgraded to a second or third TV back here in the back. A great layout for what I call pretty much a hybrid boat. A great day boat, but if you need a place to cool off, maybe the kids need a restroom for the day. Air conditioned, vented back here. Really nice wet head, we call it, but AC vent in there, exhaust vents. So even for a day boat, come down here and cool off. But what a great boat. Again, I'm Robert Moody with MarineMax. Give me a call at 214-244-5535. This one at this price won't last long.